Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This video is part of a training playlist which is in the description. In this training, we'll just take the same example which we did in our previous video, and I'll show you how to input more data in here. For example, in this case, we typed these headings in row 1, and let's say we want to enter more data, and I'll just type again it was said that you have to just be in the box or cell where you want to enter data and just start typing. So I'll type the country name and then I'll press tab. Now in this date column, this is something you have to understand, that whenever you enter some data in Excel, it automatically detects the type of or the format of the data you're inputting. In this case, let's say we want to enter 9th of April 2019. Just an example, I want to enter this date in here. How will I enter this date? There are many ways. Let's say I'll do this 29 space APR space 2019, and you can see that there are dashes in there, and it automatically picked it and matched it with the date. And if you see this formula bar, then this is showing what is in there. You can see clearly that this date shown in formula bar is a bit different in formatting, of course, to this one here. This is where formatting is considered, because actually the date is 29th of April 2019. You have to first understand the most important aspect of the date, especially in time. You have to go to the right bottom of your computer to see the taskbar where your date and time is showing. You can see what is the format of the date in there. For example, it's month, day, and year, or it's day, month, and year. In this case, you can see this is day, month, and year. So you have to consider this, and it depends totally on the date format of your computer or Windows or operating system. To undo whatever you type, you have to go here and press this undo button, or you can press Control Z from your keyboard. I'm just doing this to give you many type of inputting data for date. We type 29th of April 2019. Let's say I am typing 29 slash 4, which is April, and 19. When I press enter, you see this is still 29 for 19, 29th of April 19. If we go back to this box, then now this format appearing in the formula box is same as this box. Why is it so? Well, this is because you have to go here. This is called number format. You click here and you can see that it represents the date. We'll talk about the other bits later. It is talking about short date, long date. If we click here, let's say, then it will represent this date as 29th of April 2019. We have more than that formattings, but this is just basic formatting you can see here. If you go for more number formats, then you can see a lot of date formats and other formats. So all it depends is what you selected and as a formatting, and you can enter date in many ways. For example, I type 29/4. It says 29th of April, but what is the year? Let's go here again, click here, and you can see it says 2023, but it is still not showing this year because you only typed date and month, not year. But since this is 2023 as per my date in my computer, then it will automatically consider that the year is 2023. I can click here again in custom and select short date or long date, and it will show me 23. So we can type the date in a certain format. We don't have to type uh, the year if it is the current year. But let's say I want to show this date as this format in B3 for all these columns. Or for all of these, maybe selection. If it is selection, then I'll select these two boxes. If I want to see this column B as date formatted, whatever I want, then I'll select whole column, go here and click short date. Now, even if I type something like 15:9 and press enter, then it will automatically enter 23 and it will also show us 23 because all of this column has the same format now. So this is how date format is being picked up. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more Excel tutorials. Again, this video is part of a full training. You can find the link in the description and save the playlist or bookmark. I'll see you soon in the next video.